Hello, this is Red A. For this presentation, I'll be doing Lab 4.3, Attack on Digital Signature Hash Collusion. I'm going to go ahead to Analysis to start, go to Hash, and then Attack on the hash value of the digital signature. As you can see, we have a file already uploaded for the harmless file, and then a file for the dangerous file. I'll go to Options and change a few things. For the hash function, I'll choose MD5. The signature bit length, I'll do 40. And for options for the modification of message, I'll choose attack characters and printable characters. I'm going to go ahead and apply and then start the search. As you can see, the attack was successful. Two different messages were found where the message hash is equal for the first 40 bits. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And then now I'll print the statistics. As you can see, this is what the harmless message looks like. And this is the dangerous file, the dangerous message. The statistics gives you a couple of data about, the projected efforts, the computing efforts, and the text modification. Today's signature with high hash value of 128 bits or less are vulnerable to a massive parallel search. It's recommended to use hash values with a length of at least 160 bits. This concludes my presentation for Lab 4.3. Thank you.